Hey everybody, welcome back. I don't know if you guys watched the shorts at all, but I was going to go over and show you exactly how I did the easy Christmas tree on my shorts video. So I just start out with, and I'm keeping it very loose here. I'm going to pre-wet my green Apatite Genuine and my French Ultramarine and maybe a little indigo or maybe some Artemis. So then I'm going to go in and I'm just going to take just a loose mop brush and I'm going to just make some tree-like movements. And I'm kind of looking over to the side so I can kind of see the shiny parts of it. And I'm just going to draw, excuse me, I'm gonna draw just some really loose tree limbs. And I'm doing it on this Hannah Moulet sketchbook and cotton paper, which it's going to be a little bit more absorbent, give me a little bit more working time. Make the trunk here. And just come on down and kind of give it a minute to set and turn shiny. Go back and see if there's any place that seems like it has dried out, and then go back in and get some of that green Apatite Genuine and just drop it in. Drop it in these wet areas and then let it take off. Now I'm always going to the side and looking at where my light, so I can see where the glossy area is. I don't want to drop it into a dry spot. Now, I like the different patterns it's making, but I always want to put it in where the wet area is so it can do its own thing. And let it dry. I think this is just a beautiful way to make a watercolor Christmas tree. I just really like it. And I like this green Apatite Genuine. It has some brown granulating colors in it. I'm going to pull that out a little bit, drop a little bit more. And then I'm going to take some dark indigo and drop it near the center. And maybe some of this Artemis color. This is a Da Vinci, or no, I think this is American Journey, Cheap Joe's, which I like it really well. And drop it in there for some dark areas. And then let it dry. I'm looking at my screen there to see if there's any one thing about recording it is, when you look at it from one perspective, it looks one way, but then when you look at it on the screen, it looks different. And I'm seeing this side's going down a little bit more, so I'm going to bring some of this, and I'm going to bring it kind of down. Now I like that, and I'm going to let that dry, but that's about how I go about it. I put my water down first, and then I drop my colors, very concentrated colors, into the Christmas tree, and that just makes it real loose and natural. And I hope you try this. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite colors would be to put in a tree. Would it be sap green or would it be a mix? Let me know in the comments below. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.